You log into your WordPress site and you install the What'sMyRank plugin. This plugin is called What'sMyRank because that's exactly what it does. It tells you what your ranking is, okay? So you go in and go into the add keyword option, and over here you have your domain name that automatically pops up. You click on add domain, okay? And after that, you choose the domain from this box and enter the keywords you want to track. Just simply type So you can basically add multiple keywords in this box, one for every line, and then you can actually choose which Google domain you want to track. So if you want to track your rankings across google.com or google.co.uk or any other regional domains of Google, there are I think over 100 domains that Google has where you can track your rankings. I personally prefer to use google.com, and that's what I will use. So click here and add the keywords, and instantly all the keywords have been added. Now you can go ahead and see your latest rankings over here, but the data has not been updated yet. So let's do a manual update. Now click on the manual update and it will do all the rankings, all the updates for you. Now usually this will work completely automatically for you, but for the first time you can do it manually and it will give you a quick update instantly. All right. And after a few seconds, you will see the rankings will have been updated, and we will go ahead and see that in just a few seconds. Okay. Okay, so now that the data has been updated, we will go ahead and check our rankings over here. So go into the latest rankings option and you will see for one-click podcast, it's ranking number 3. And for the other 2 keywords, it's not ranking yet. Okay, now this actually software automatically runs and updates your rankings every single day. So every 24 hours, you will see the latest updated rankings over here with the dates and when the software has automatically updated them. You can also go into your dashboard and you will see how many top 3 rankings you have, how many page 1 rankings you have, or any keywords from page 2 or page 3 as well.